Hi everyone! This video is about a new attractive, voluminous, elastic knit, obtained thanks to an unusual technique of knitting decreases on the wrong side. To begin with, you need to cast on multiples of 5 plus 2 edge loops. The scheme consists of 5 loops and 2 rows. The first row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 2. Purl the first and the third loops together. Make a yarn over loop, and purl the second. Again, knit 2. Purl the first and third loops together, make a yarn over loop, and purl the second loop. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. The second row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 2. Knit 3. Again, purl 2, knit 3. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. I presented you with an attractive, elastic knitting pattern for winter clothing and accessories. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. Please tap the like button if you found the video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. I hope you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.